The EV world is about to get rocked, and no one saw this coming. While everyone's been focused on Tesla, BYD has been quietly working on something that could completely change the game. If you thought electric vehicles couldn't get any more groundbreaking, think again, because BYD just unveiled a new engine that has the potential to shake the entire EV industry. But here's the twist. This isn't just a battery upgrade, and it's definitely not just another electric motor. What BYD has done here is much, much bigger. They've pulled off something that even the most vocal skeptics are having a hard time wrapping their heads around. BYD's CEO just revealed their fifth-generation DM technology, a brand-new hybrid engine that's not only wildly efficient, but could also make gas-powered cars look obsolete. It's the most efficient combustion engine ever created for mass-produced vehicles. And no, this isn't just some marketing fluff. It's real, and it's ready to flip the entire auto industry on its head. What's even crazier is that this new engine is part of BYD's latest platform that can charge up to 1 megawatt of power, something no one thought was possible for passenger vehicles. We're talking about a 2,000-kilometer range on a single tank and charge. You heard that right. The future of driving is already here, and it's coming from BYD, not Tesla. So why are the biggest names in the industry suddenly scrambling? And why is everyone saying this new engine could change the future of cars forever? Stick around, because what we uncover today will make you look at the entire auto industry in a whole new way. This is just the beginning. The EV revolution isn't coming. It's already here, and BYD is leading the charge. But BYD wasn't just out to build a sleeker battery. They wanted the safest one on the road. So instead of using the typical NMC chemistry, a mix of nickel, manganese, and cobalt, they went with LFP, lithium iron phosphate. No cobalt, no volatility. Just rock-solid chemistry built to last and built not to burn. Need proof? There's one test that separates the contenders from the pretenders. The nail test. It's brutal. A metal spike is driven straight through the battery cell. Most batteries, especially NMC, don't survive. They ignite, they swell, some explode. But BYD's blade, no fire, no smoke, no thermal runaway, just a clean puncture and zero drama. That's not marketing. That's real-world proof that this battery puts safety first, especially in the worst-case scenarios. But toughness means nothing if the battery can't keep up on the road. And this one is built to perform. Thanks to its unique structure and low internal resistance, the blade charges faster than standard LFP batteries, pulling in energy quicker and generating less heat in the process. That means shorter wait times at the charger and more time on the move. And it's not just about speed, it's about longevity. Where most EV batteries start fading after a few years, the blade keeps going strong. We're talking over 3,000 full charge cycles with 90% capacity retention. That's not a typo. That means you could fully charge and drain the battery every single day for over 8 years and still have most of your range left. Most people won't even come close to that in normal driving, but BYD built it to survive the extreme. And that long life doesn't come at the expense of performance. Whether it's cold mornings, hot summers, or long road trips, the blade stays consistent. LFP chemistry means better thermal stability, and the flat cell layout means heat is distributed evenly. No weak spots, no hot zones, no sudden drop-offs. Just steady, reliable output mile after mile. Let's get this straight. We're not talking about fancy cruise control. DiPilot is BYD's full-scale autonomous driving platform engineered for real-world performance, not showroom demos. This isn't a beta test. It's live. It's in cars. And it's pushing boundaries every single day. At the top of the lineup is DiPilot 600, the brains behind BYD's flagship models. Armed with 3 LiDAR sensors, this setup creates a 360-degree field of vision so precise it could spot a dropped coin in a parking lot. Every object, every turn, every pedestrian, all captured and calculated in milliseconds. This version brings level 2+ autonomy with the horsepower to grow. Highways, heavy traffic, tricky city roads. The DiPilot 600 handles them with confidence, shifting control seamlessly between human and machine. For the rest of the fleet, there's DiPilot 300, which trims the sensor suite to a single LiDAR unit but keeps the intelligence high. It's a refined, cost-efficient powerhouse, perfect for drivers who want smart automation without the flagship price tag. And if you're stepping into a more affordable BYD, don't worry, you're still getting the future in your rearview. DiPilot 100 ditches LiDAR entirely and leans on a high-resolution smart camera array. It's BYD's vision-based system built to maximize value while still giving you core autonomous functions. But it's not just about the hardware. What really makes DiPilot dangerous for the competition is what it does and what it's already pulling off. Let's start with HNIA, high-speed navigation on autopilot. This feature is a game-changer for highway driving. You get on the on-ramp, and DiPilot takes over, handling everything from lane changes to overtaking to maintaining perfect following distance. Long-distance trips, 100, 300, even 1,000 km, become almost effortless. No fatigue, no stress, just smooth, calculated movement while the system reads traffic like a pro. It's not just reactive, it's predictive, watching traffic patterns unfold hundreds of meters ahead and adjusting before a problem ever touches your lane. Then there's automated valet parking. The moment you realize your car might be better at parking than most drivers, DiPilot doesn't just assist, it does the entire job. You step out, tap a command on your phone, and the car scans for open spots, calculates the safest route, and maneuvers itself with flawless precision. Parallel, diagonal, tight, multi-level garages, no sweat. With a 99% success rate, it's almost like BYD's engineers trained this system in the real world, not some lab simulator. And then comes a feature that takes personalization to another level: memory navigation on autopilot. Imagine your car quietly learning your habits, the school drop-offs, the morning commute, your favorite shortcut when traffic clogs up the main road. After just a few runs, DiPilot knows the route cold, not just GPS points, but the actual driving dynamics. Where to slow for the speed bump, how to handle that tricky merge, when to switch lanes for the turn coming up 3 lights later. And with every pass, it gets smoother, smarter, sharper. Here's where it all comes together. DiPilot doesn't live in a vacuum. It's fully integrated with BYD's sensor network, AI systems like DeepSeek, and the ultra-reliable Xuanji architecture. That means you're not relying on one sensor or one brain. You're plugged into an entire ecosystem. One that can take control, make judgment calls, adapt in real time, and even learn from other cars in the fleet. Safety? Let's just say DiPilot has more eyes on the road than you do. With radar, LiDAR, high-def cameras, and predictive software all working in sync, the system detects risks before the average human even processes them. A pedestrian crossing 3 lanes over? DiPilot's already slowed down. A truck starts drifting? You're repositioned safely without any input. And it's all wrapped with fail-safe backups because BYD knows real autonomy has to be more than smart. It has to be bulletproof. And perhaps the most overlooked part: over-the-air updates. Every week, every month, DiPilot evolves. Smarter algorithms, new features, better performance, no dealership visits, no waiting in service lines. Just wake up one morning and your car has learned a new trick. This isn't the future of autonomous driving. This is what BYD is delivering right now. Scalable across models backed by real-world testing, built with redundancy, speed, and adaptability from the ground up. DiPilot is proof that BYD isn't trying to be a player in the autonomous game. It's writing the rules. While others are still trying to figure out level 3, BYD is already bridging that gap. The tech is live, the cars are rolling, and the road is no longer a challenge. It's a playground for precision. So next time someone tells you autonomous driving is still years away, point to the BYD with DiPilot and say, "Not anymore." The global impact BYD is no longer just another player in the electric vehicle game. It's become the disruptor. The company shaking up an entire industry and forcing everyone from Tesla to traditional automakers to rethink their strategies. How? By doing what many didn't think was possible: offering cutting-edge electric vehicles packed with advanced technology at prices that are downright affordable. And that's where BYD's strategy is setting them apart. While everyone else is fixated on pure electric vehicles, BYD is embracing the hybrid model as well, a move that allows them to cater to a wider array of consumers. Their hybrid lineup offers the best of both worlds, the range and efficiency of electric driving with the reliability of a traditional petrol engine when you need it. This hybrid approach appeals to buyers who want to make the jump to cleaner energy but aren't quite ready to go all in on EVs yet. BYD's hybrid strategy fills that gap, giving consumers flexibility and choice, whether they want the full electric experience or a more versatile hybrid solution that works for long road trips and everyday driving alike. For global markets, this hybrid flexibility is a game changer. While some countries are racing to go fully electric, others still have a long way to go when it comes to building infrastructure or offering incentives for EVs. BYD gets it. They're making sure that every type of driver, no matter where they live, has access to the clean energy tech they crave. The beauty of this is in how universally adaptable BYD's approach is. No matter what stage of the EV transition your country is in, BYD has something for everyone. Whether it's a sleek EV for the city or a hybrid SUV for rural areas with limited charging stations, BYD is offering solutions, not just products. And as the electric vehicle revolution spreads across the globe, BYD is positioning itself as a powerhouse. It's not just competing with Tesla, it's redefining the electric car industry by democratizing technology that was once thought to be out of reach for the average consumer. If you're someone who values performance, safety, and innovation but doesn't want to break the bank, BYD is making that dream a reality. From their blade battery to their smart hybrid systems, they've made cutting-edge technology available at prices that challenge even the most established players in the game. The future isn't about choosing between EVs or hybrids. It's about choosing the right technology for the job. And BYD is proving time and again that they're ahead of the curve in delivering exactly that. Whether it's hybrids, EVs, or a combination of both, BYD has set its sights on one goal: making clean, smart, and efficient cars accessible to everyone, everywhere. BYD is truly transforming the automotive landscape, driving the future of both hybrid and electric vehicles. Their innovative tech, from the blade battery to autonomous features, is setting a new standard for what's possible in the automotive world. BYD's commitment to affordable, efficient, and sustainable transportation is reshaping how we drive. So what excites you most about BYD's groundbreaking innovations? Which feature would you love to see in your next car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more on the future of mobility.